Welcome to Black Tech Green Book. Today we're talking about something a lot of people won't say straight. You don't need work experience to get in the game, but you do need proof. And in 2096, the game has shifted. Companies aren't just asking, where did you work? They asking, what can you actually do right now? Let's talk reality first. If you're a Black engineer trying to break in, you're not just dealing with lack of experience. You're dealing with limited access to networks, fewer referrals, more scrutiny on performance, less margin for error. Data from McKinsey and Company and similar workforce reports continue to show underrepresented professionals are less likely to be referred into roles, more likely to be evaluated harder early, more likely to be placed in support roles versus high visibility roles. So we're not going to pretend this is equal, but we are going to show you how to move smart inside it. Rule number 1, replace experience with proof. Companies don't hire experience. They hire confidence in your ability to perform. So your job is to remove doubt. What counts as proof in 2026? A working project, GitHub demo site, lab, a documented process. Here's what I built and how. A solved problem. Here's the issue. Here's my fix. Don't say I learned networking. Say I built a home lab using Active Directory, configured users, policies, and simulated a real environment. Now you're talking. Rule number 2, build a small but strong portfolio. Listen, you don't need 20 projects. You need 2-3 solid ones that show skill, strong portfolio ideas, engineering, IT. Set up a home lab, deploy a Linux server, build a basic cloud environment, AWS Azure, create a simple automation script, document a real troubleshooting scenario. Key mistake, people build projects, but don't explain them. What hiring managers want. What problem did you solve? Why did you do it that way? What would you improve? If you can answer that, you ahead of most. Rule number 3, learn to explain it simply. If you can't explain it, you don't own it. Practice this. Explain DNS like you talking to your cousin. Explain cloud like you explaining rent. Explain networking like traffic flow. Because in interviews, clarity beats complexity every time. Not the word, but the understanding. Rule number 4, certifications. Move with strategy. Don't collect certs like Pokemon. Pick one, aligned with your lane. Examples: networking, CCNA, cloud, AWS, fundamental support, A+. But understand this, a cert alone won't get you hired. It just gets you in the conversation. Rule number 5, understand the interview game. Most people lose the job before they even realize they're in competition. Interviews are about 3 things. Can you do the job? Can you communicate under pressure? Can they trust you in the environment? Black Tech Green Book move. When you don't have experience, you say, I haven't had the opportunity to do this in a formal role yet, but here's what I built and here's how I approached it. That shows ownership, initiative, capability. Rule number 6, network like it matters, because it does. Let me say this clean. Most jobs are filled before they hit the public listing. Networking in 2026 looks like LinkedIn, strategic, not random tech communities, local meetups, commenting on real conversations. Don't do this. Hey, can you get me a job? Do this. Hey, I'm working on this project. I'd value your insight on how you'd approach this. Now you're building relationship, not asking for a favor. Rule number 7, control your first impression. You don't get multiple chances to prove yourself, especially not early. So you walk in, direct, prepared. That's where your Ulysses contract comes in. You decide before the interview. I don't rush answers. I pause before responding. I stay composed under pressure. Because once nerves hit, your brain will try to react. And we don't move off reaction. We move off preparation. Reality check. You might apply to 50 jobs and hear nothing. That don't mean you're not qualified, you're not capable, you're not ready. It means you're still building visibility plus proof plus positioning. Final strategy, stack the odds. Here's the formula. Skill plus proof, communication plus visibility, opportunity. Miss one, you slow yourself down. Stack all 4, you speed it up. BT should be closing. You don't need permission to start. You don't need experience to prove ability. You don't need validation to build skill. You need discipline, strategy, and consistency. And when you get in, don't forget this part, reach back, because somebody else is trying to figure this out too. This is Black Tech Green Book. We don't just talk about getting in. We show you how to stay in and move up